I'm Dylan Pereira, and my index is 18001238, and my research project was EEG-based emotion recognition in music listening. According to the study of social tagging on Last.fm, which is one of the popular commercial music websites, emotion tag is the third most frequent type of tags assigned to music pieces by online users. It's second to a genre and local. So past years, the area of music emotional recognition, also known as MER, taken increasing attention in research community. When it comes to music emotional recognition methods, we can divide into two groups. First one is the conventional methods, which based on consciousness responses. It basically utilizes the audio and visual attributes to model human emotional responses, such as speech, facial expressions, body gestures, like that. The second one is the methods based on unconscious responses, such as electrocardiography, skin temperature measurements, electromyography, respiration rate, pulse, such as. In my research, I mainly study in the second type of methods. In my first month, I mainly studied on biosignals, which are recorded from autonomic nervous system, which we call ANS in periphery, such as ECG, skin conductance, electromyography, respiration, pulse, and etc. I study the techniques, theories, and advantages and disadvantages behind those methods. Then I move into the studying signals captured from brain in the central nervous system, which we call CNS, which kind of provide more detailed and complex information for estimation in emotional states. So to capture those signals, we use electroencephalography, which we commonly known as EEG. So basically, we have a set of electrodes which will attach to this subject's skull, and we record the electrical activities. So then for about a month in my internship period, I studied about the pre-processing pipeline of EEG signal processing and MATLAB and EEG lab for EEG signal analysis, and read many research papers related to EEG signal processing and related machine learning approaches. After have an understanding about theoretical knowledge and EEG signal processing, we get a EEG device, a purpose on a conducting an experiment to try that knowledge, what we learned. But the device wasn't used in a few years, and all electrodes were corroded and damaged. So we have to go with a lot of cleaning process and electrical part replacements. So however, after a week, I was able to recover the device, and then I did a few successful tests on the device. After that, I designed a 4-class emotion recognition experiment. Basically, during the experiment, we are playing a random music, which is selected among 16 Oscar awarded music tracks, and record the EEG during the music listening. Then we get the annotation for emotion class, which is happy, angry, sad, or calm from the user subjects. Purpose of this experiment is to build and classify which can predict the emotion for a given EEG record. So after the experiment design, I create the relevant documents such as information sheet, consent forms for subjects, and post experiment questionnaires. So after completing all the requirement for experiment in month 4, I conducted a data acquisition phase of the experiment. And these are some clips and pictures during that experiment. So after getting an annotation and recordings from 5 subjects, I complete the data action phase of the experiment. Then I pre-process the all collected data for about a week. In last 1.5 half month of the internship period, I learned various machine learning and deep learning approach for EEG signal processing, and build ML and DL classifiers for emotion recognition tasks. So then I trained the models and for the collected data, and models were able to achieve following accuracy scores. So that's all about what I did was in my internship period. Since I was able to understand the theoretical as well as the practical problems in this research domain throughout this internship period, now I recently currently planning to do my fourth year research as an extent of this research, and I'm going to propose a new framework for EEG-based emotion recognition in music listening. In these days, I'm working on a designing my own annotation tool and writing a concept paper for that framework, which I'm going to propose. So that's it. Thank you.